For consumers, our study indicates that the composition of a food product and how it is processed is the key to its potential health benefits, whether it's plant-based or animal-based. Some of the plant-based substitutes which are available in the market, they have much higher fat and much lower protein present in them as compared to meat. This research compares pasture-fed New Zealand beef to grain-finished beef and also a plant-based alternative that we taken from the market to find out any differences in the way they are digested. We use simulators that we have in our laboratories that mimic the human digestive tract to examine if the major components present in these products, such as proteins or fats, are digested in a different way. We are doing this research because in New Zealand, sheep and beef cattle are mainly free-range and pasture-fed, unlike grain-finished or grain-fed in many other countries. The temperate climate that we have allows the animals to roam outside all year round. What is really important is if there are differences in the nutritional quality of meat if it is raised the New Zealand way. We found that the protein from both pasture-fed and grain-finished meat was digested in a similar way. As plant proteins are generally known to be less digestible than meat or animal proteins in general, the plant-based substitute that we used showed relatively lower protein digestibility. This could also be due to the differences in composition or the way the alternative products they are processed. This research also confirms that animals eating pasture raises the levels of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids, particularly long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids, or also known as PUFAs. The plant-based substitute that we tested contained other types of good fats but had no PUFAs and also had higher amounts of saturated fatty acids than those present in the meat cuts that we tested. For consumers, our study indicates that the composition of a food product and how it is processed is the key to its potential health benefits, whether it's plant-based or animal-based. Some of the plant-based substitutes which are available in the market, they have much higher fat and much lower protein present in them as compared to meat. So the consumers should be fully aware of the composition of a food product and also how it is processed before making any food choices.